Oh. Right now I'm trying to make the add in the up animations when Sonic runs up a cliff in the air without jumping. So I have to. What's going on, Abram? What you mean, what? Trying to figure out how I'm going to add in this animation, the up animation. It's a Alright, that works. So if there we go, that works. HD Sonic. I'm trying to make the physics work, man. I got the actually I got the 3D classic Sonic model. I'm just taking that and just putting it on there to make it look 3D, but I'm just using this Sonic 2 background that I got off of Sonic Retro just to work with right now. Probably gonna make a level, and I'm gonna release the whole thing for people who can use the Classic Sonic to make their own stuff. So that's the goal. But the main focus is the physics. That's all we want. Dang, now I lost my train of thought. Yeah, you can make it widescreen. I just got it this ratio because I used the Genesis. I just used the Genesis to try to get a feel for what to replicate Sonic 2. Where did I learn the program Blender? I just been messing around in it for a long time. I can show you. So I kind of use the same screen as this to try to replicate what I'm trying to get here. And we play with a controller. Sure, I add that in there. I just started this like a couple days ago, so it doesn't have a lot of stuff in it yet. So I kind of use this to try to figure out like the jump height and the physics and stuff like that. So I use that to try to the same one to try to replicate it. Oh, that's messed up. I didn't finish this. Let's see if that works. Oh, that's the wrong animation. Look up. So I got that to work. So what I'm about to do right now is add 2 more animations. So this is the look up and look down. So what this is up in the fall animation. Up is with 60 frames. I already have that one. How much is the fall animation? $10 frames. Alright, 6 and 7. 6 is the up animation and 7 is the fall animation. Let's see, get that to work. Oh, there we go. That fall animation is too fast. Let's see. Let me see it one more time. Let me try like 60 frames. Yeah, around maybe a little bit faster, like 40 frames. Oh, that's a bug. Let me try that again. Alright. Why is it doing that? Sonic fan, will this just be a demo? It's gonna be a set of code, so I'm thinking after I finish all the basic features and stuff, like regular classic Sonic stuff, I'm just gonna release the whole thing for people to use. I don't know if you can hear me, let me see. Okay. Yeah, so I'll probably release like just one level of my own, or I don't know, but I'm just gonna release one level and maybe some assets and stuff, and then people can come in and, you know, edit, make their own levels, edit it. Then it'll be like a classic Sonic engine on the Blender game engine that people can use. Yeah, like Sonic, like Sonic World. But this would be on the Blender game engine, and it'd just be classic Sonic, like a classic Sonic engine. And it's actually, you know, used in a 3D engine, so you can do extra stuff, and you also can make, you know, since it's a 3D Sonic model, you can make, you know, your 3D, 2D.5, whatever you're trying to do. Yeah. So it's already inside the program. And also, I'm doing it because a lot of people want to learn how to use Blender and the Blender game engine. The Blender game engine is a great place to start, and you can kind of mess around the code. The best thing to get into programming or start is like to mess around with code and stuff. Just like a lot of people, I remember back in the Blitz Sonic days, all of us used to mess around with different codes and things like that. So somebody that wants to, you know, get into the game engine, this would be like an asset for them to mess with. and kind of learn themselves. It's one thing that I'm looking for. I'm trying to figure out how to fix that bug. Oh. Spin roll. So when I spin roll, it kind of glitches out. Let me see. Oh, I see where it. There you go, there we go. That was the problem. Alright, what else I gotta do? I didn't do the spin dash yet. And I'm still working on the invisible platforms. Drop dash? Yeah, I'll add the drop dash. Drop dash, the spin attack from, I think it's called the spin attack from Sonic 3. I'll release different versions with more updates and stuff like that. I don't think I'm going to add all the monitors from Sonic 3 yet though. But I think I got. I'm trying to mess around, see if I find any more bugs. I wonder if I should be able to make it up that hill. Yeah, he can make it up that hill. Before Mania, don't Mania comes out like in a week? Probably not in a week. Right during Mania, maybe right after Mania. Yeah, that's about better. Yeah, that's better. I don't have any collisions up here yet, so that's why can't really get up there yet. Alright, let's see. I think it's solid. Just the physics alone is solid so far. Maybe I should just go to the next feature. The next one is the spin dash. I don't have the spin dash made yet. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna do that one. Well, supersonic be in the game. I'll keep adding stuff as long as people, you know, interested in. They want more, you know, things in the game. So if people are using an engine and, you know, they want the supersonic, I'll add it in there. All right, now I have to figure out this spin. Let's see. So in Sonic, why is it blinking? Alright, it seems like it's just an integer that just counts up every time you press it, and it resets after a certain period of time. Sonic Retro Physics Guide. I looked at it one time. Most of the things that they have, they don't have a lot of the specific things, but most of it I already figured out. Yeah, what I'm looking for, they don't have a spin dash. But it shouldn't be that complicated. Sonic Riders, man. probably need a timer too. So I need a spin dash variable. I probably need a spin dash timer. Timer and let's see. Thanks, Steven. I really appreciate it, man. I'll probably need something like oh, that's wrong. KB down. If you press the down key and so what I should probably get is the player speed, which this one would be the absolute player speed. If the player speed is less than 1, you should be able to spin dash. Let's see. Press the keyboard down. And the A key. So I could get the spin dash timer equals 10, but then I need to add the spin dash. Well, Sonic look at you when you don't move. Of course we gotta add that animation in. And we gotta add in the laying down animation. I'll try to add in majority of all the default animations. And then some extra ones, you know, like the one I just added is when you go up in the air, you got an up and down animation instead of just running in the air. So I'm about to make the timer now. So the spin dash timer, if it's not equal 0, it would just subtract 10. Going at every 5 frames. Is that fast enough? Let me see if this works. Not equal 0, then you got the spin dash, which says keyboard down, and keyboard you press the A key. The player speed is less than 1. Let's see if you can get that. Oh, also I have to put if you're pressing down you can't. Okay, can you jump when you do that? Okay, yeah. So this shouldn't happen. I already got that there. So this should be keyboard. You're not pressing down. Alright, there we go. So now I just added in if you hold down you can't jump. So I can't make the spin dash if you jump out of it like that. And also I need to change this animation to like making him have his hands over his head. Alright, let me check this out. And also the spin dash timer is working. Can it be played with the controller? Yeah, I'm gonna add in the controller. I'm gonna add in the controller stuff after finish getting the simple stuff to work. And then so let me change that animation real quick. Just the down. Where is it? Oh, he got this. Right now he got like this little crouch thing. I want him to make it look more like that. So he's putting this like that. So let's get him. Yeah, something more like that, along the lines of that. That's better. Yeah, something on the lines, like something like that. So when you do the spin dash, let me look at the timer. Oh, this have to be a tap. So let me see. All right, this has to be different. Duck Hunt Dog, welcome. Welcome to the stream, man. What I'm doing right now, I'm starting to make the spin dash for Sonic. Trying to add in the increments of the integer, so when you press down, it won't shoot up. So maybe if I add this right here, I'm gonna have to move this. Oh, wait. So now I'm adding in the increments. Thank you, TWIP. Thank you, man. How you doing, Dominique? How you doing, man? Oh, why he floats? Because right now I don't have, if you look here, I have, this is the collision to the ground, so the collision kind of gets detected earlier. I don't have anything right now that locks him to the ground a little bit more closer, so he floats a little bit, because the collision is still being detected, but I need to have something. I'm gonna have to change it up. When he starts, it's gonna be something like give it a force, like right here. So now when he starts, he's on the ground. I haven't changed it yet, but he kind of walks a little bit because he's kind of still detecting that detecting that force. So I have to add another like a sensor or something for he can calculate that he's not moving. And also on invisible platforms, he kind of fall through because of that force. So I have to kind of hack a way around it. So until I do that, he's going to kind of be floaty at the start of the game until I get some type of force to tell him to go all the way down. So I need to have some like right here, Iffy, not keyboard. kind of reset this little spin dash thing. Well, let me just do it right here. So if he's not pressing down anymore, he should I should take that spin dash and just turn it off. That spin dash is on 0. So invert, not. So let's see. Yeah, so that's working. So the spin dash timer should cap at like just like 10. How many caps? They sound like I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like 8 to 10 or something that caps. Oh, I have to add that animation too. You get I have to add in that animation. Thanks, Sonic fan. Thank you, man. This shouldn't be too complicated. No, it's not complicated like the other games that I was doing. So it won't take long to make this. Appreciate you. Overgeek Gaming, how you doing, man? Ready Gaming, what's up, man? How you doing? We're working on the spin dash. See if we can get anything going. Let me see if I can get this animation to make it. Oops. Let me see what this looks like. Why can't I get? Sorry, so I have to add that in there somewhere. Spin roll equals false. And KB. Oh, that broke it. Spin roll equals false. It's the friction. I need to add something that says if spin roll equals false and my keyboard was down, object spin roll or spin dash is greater than 0. Let me see if I can just get the spin roll to pop up. Hopefully this doesn't conflict. Well, that's, yeah. And add object animation. What's the animation for that? Ready gaming? Thank you, man. Animation 3. Thanks for subscribing, man. This is going to be out. I'll probably release the first build. It should be less than a month. A little bit after Sonic Mania, I'll release the physics demo, and then, you know, go from there, add in more power-ups and monitors, add in some levels, custom ad sets for different levels people can use. Sonic Maker, Super Sonic Maker. What's that? 3? Since I don't have a spin dash ball, I'm trying to see if I can get this to just do the regular spin roll animation. I'm trying to figure out what I'm missing. Linux, yeah, it's gonna be for all. A Blender, you can export into different ones. I'm gonna release the blend file, so the blend file can use it on Mac, PC, Linux. So once you have the blend file, you can do whatever you want with it. Whatever Blender is, you know, runs on, and this will run on. I gotta get the spin animation. The timer, the spin dash is working. There's no physics up there. Is there any way you can help? Only the best way you can help is when the first build releases, you know, you can use it or add more stuff into it, maybe get it more known out there, for people can, you know, make classic Sonic games, keep it going. And I'll update more things and stuff like that, add characters, stuff like that. Will the drop dash be in it or nah? I'm gonna put the drop dash in it. Drop dash is amazing. I'm gonna add different type of moves and things you can add or turn off. It shouldn't be hard to make a drop dash. Sister's telling you to go to sleep. I'm happy you want to watch, man. Hopefully, you can see some things in Blender how it's made. I'm missing something here, so let me look at what is stopping me from animation 5. Retro Bird. I'll check it out right now if I can. Can I check it out? Let's see, the down key. Thanks, Freddy. I really appreciate it. Up and down, so up and down, this shouldn't happen if you pressing what key? The A key? If you pressing, oh, never mind, object. So what is the spin dash or the counter? No, I'll just say spin dash is greater than 0. So I think this should work. Hey, Retro, one up. What is Retro Bird? Retro the bird? Give a brief description. Welcome back, Thomas. I have Chaos Emeralds. Chaos Emeralds. It would I would definitely add all that stuff in. Chaos Emeralds and stuff like that. I'm gonna be adding in the majority of the things that that you can make a classic Sonic game with some additions, and then people can choose to do whatever they want to do with it to make their own classic Sonic game. It definitely won't be in the first release, but different releases, all that stuff is going to be in there. So up and down, which is 4. I'm missing something here. For else ifs, remove spin roll. Pretty game, and I hope it get popular in the blended game engine too, man. Sonic fan. Menu screen. I don't have menu screens or none of that planned. I do plan to add characters, and maybe just by a push of a button or just you know, something to change. You can change your character or something like that. And the sprite, it's not a sprite. It's actually a 3D model. It's actually the Generations 3D model. So you can convert to 2D and 2D, you know, 0.5 if you want to. So it's not a sprite. I was using the sprite at first. I was using the sprite here, but I kind of stopped using it. Yeah, so I kind of stopped using the sprite. I wanted to make it look, you know, more up to date. Also, I'm kind of stuck right now. Spin dash equals greater than 0. Oh, spin dash is gotta be less than 1. Link to download the model. The model is on the resource. Let me show you. It's called the Sonic resource. Let me see. Or not the Sonic resource, the model resource. Right here, you see the model resource. Look up, is it Sonic Generations PC? Go to this website. There you go, right there. Just download them, put them in to whatever 3D program you use. Yeah, I look at right now. When I release the first build, it'll probably just be Sonic and Tails, and I'll start making adding more, like Knuckles. Knuckles is important. I plan on making games of my own. Not really. I have some ideas, but if I were to make any games, it would probably be more in the line of a mobile game before I make any other games. Mobile games, you know, you can make by yourself, or smaller end games. You gotta put Knuckles in here. It wouldn't be classic without Knuckles. And Sonic Free Run, Steven. Can't really click on your name, but I'll look it up. All right, we will. Steven, Sonic Free Run engine. Is that you programming this game studio? Thought you was I was looking at it, I thought you was using some type of OpenGL straight code. I never used a game engine before, or game maker studio. I've seen a lot of Sonic games in Game Maker Studio. Definitely Sonic Advance. Yeah. Hey, everybody check out Steven Sonic Free Run. Can I put a link in the song? That song was from Daytona, old Daytona game from I don't know if I can remember. It's an old some Sega Daytona game. No problem, man. How did I learn to start programming? First, my first was Blender, so it was Python. So I kind of started messing with Blender game engine back in 2009, 2010, and the only thing I used to do was kind of mess around with the Logic Bricks first, because Logic Bricks is the most easy thing in the Blender game engine. But when you use Logic Bricks, you're actually programming. So I kind of just over time just kept messing with the Blender game engine, and I kind of learned from reading other code or watching tutorials and stuff like that. But when I went to college, I took C++ and Java and stuff like that. Right now I kind of mainly program in C#, which I do mobile development. Did I jump straight into the game engine? I used to use Blitz Sonic before. I used to use Blitz Sonic before. I used to mess around I used to make like stages and stuff like that. How the song just turn off like that? C#? Hey, get into C# over Java. Start Java, man. I tell you, it's better in C# when you learn how to do object oriented. If you go straight into Java, it's annoying. I say when you learn game programming, the best thing to do is like It's just to mess around and have like a small scale project that you want to do. So like Sonic, you know, you want to make a Sonic fan game, you know, you just go and try to make it. You'll learn a lot of stuff. I mean, I've been trying to make a Sonic game since 2011, and I just been kept trying. And each time, you know, I learned some new things. So that's another reason why I'm making this, for people can mess around with the engine and, you know, start out just like I started out, but have a little, you know, better start. I want to learn how to use Unity, C++ very well. Like, the best way to do is try to get a little project that you wanted. If you try to just go on like YouTube and just try to learn, I mean, it's good to learn like the basics, what the variables and stuff is, but then after that, it's nothing it can really do for you unless you have something that you want to achieve out of it. You gotta have like a project that you want to do, and then that's the best way to learn it, because you actually have an end goal that you want to try to achieve with the code. It's kind of hard to learn code without nothing you want to make with it. You just learning it, but then you don't really know what you're trying to do with it. So the comments is coming in. Let's see. Think better, Sonic or Mario? Sonic, man. I think Sonic's better. Hey, Sonic Adventure. I might make a Sonic Adventure engine next. Who knows? College. I went to Virginia State. It's in Virginia. It was alright. I ran track. Kind of got there because I had a scholarship in track, man. No problem, Blue. How you say Blue on kid? No problem, man. Thank you. Appreciate it. Still trying to figure out this spin dash, man. Alright, let's see what we can do here. College is expensive, but I was lucky because I ran track and I was pretty good at it, so I had scholarship. So I'm not really the end of the world for me. Hi, Freddie. Thanks for stopping by. Nice to meet you, man. Alright, look up and down, move, spin, roll, animation. Oh, it's an error. So that animation stopped, but it's glitching. So the idle animation needs to be oh, that's the start of that. Why it looks so off though? Oh, it looks way off, and it's not blinking, so somewhere in here this needs to be. Is it this? Supposed to blink. How I learned to animate rig? I don't know. I don't remember. I think I just use tutorials on YouTube, because you know you have to You have to know how to do that if you want to make a game. You have to know a little bit of animation, rigging, and the programming part to make a game. I can bring the rig into one, but you need to know how to rig if you're trying to do it by yourself, you know. Programming, rig, and animate. Yeah. How do I get it to blink? So now since that is becoming true, it shouldn't be spin dash timer. I just need to add like another spin dash mash to make it looks like something, you know, like that. I'll make that probably next time, but let's see if we can get the spin dash to work now. Bandana me, how you doing, man? Classic Sonic, man. So every time you it would be in this statement. So I would probably need let me use this right here. So that would be, let's see. So should be object. Was it racist in my college? No. But VSU is a historically black college, so it's mostly black people there. Steven, man, I like all Sonic R music. I love all Sonic R. If you want me to go look for some Sonic R music, I can pull some out. That's the wrong way. Oh, maybe I should just make the move object moved. Yeah, make this. Equal. Yeah, I should just try this right here. Oh, that's an error. Blender, how do you import graphics. I'm not understanding what you're saying, Retro. How you get him to launch? Equals object. Let me try this again. Dang it. How was my day? I didn't really do much today. Did some bug fixes on an app called Grouped In that I made. I'm about to start it's a group app. It's like a social media. Let me show you. I'm about to start going to colleges and schools to get them to check it out. I can't. Dang, it won't let me, I don't understand why the chat is not working for me. Yeah, that's the app that I made that I'm working on. I'm gonna start on the 14th, start going to colleges and schools to get people on it or whatever. So what I'm doing right now, I'm adding in the spin dash into the character. So Jalix 777. I kind of bugged it out. Is it bugged? I just did something that bugged it out. This is all I have so far. Can't do the spin dash or I can't get up there or this. I can't use that. That's not it. Infinite theme. I don't think I remember the infinite theme on Sonic Forces. I think I probably heard it, but I don't remember it. Yeah, I don't remember it, man. I gotta get this spin dash work before I get off. KB down. I got my spin dash. My spin dash greater than 0. Can I just add that to that? greater than 0. Is this working? Oh, it doesn't work until I jump. So tap A. He's not tapping A. Wow, it really glitches out. Kind of stuck right now. I added a sprite. Retro. I couldn't tell you much about sprites. I never even made a sprite before. I mean, the only thing I ever did was use sprites that was already in a video game, or even just making a sprite. Yeah, I never made a sprite before. A programmer? Man, you don't need a programmer, man. You gotta do that. You gotta do it yourself. It's the only way it's gonna really get done. It's kind of hard to get people to. It's always hard to get somebody to work with you on your idea. You're the only person that's going to really care as much as you until you got something, you know, to show people, to get people interested. That's what I'm talking about. I mean, and then once you know how to do that, any other idea that you have, you don't have to rely on anybody else to, you know, to help you. You can just go ahead, use your own imagination. So what I'm still trying to figure out how I'm gonna get this the thing to launch. There's a couple things that I'm running into. Let me try something. So now that's working, it's alright. Alright. So let's see something. Forgot what I had that as. Move Z equals can I do this? Sonic sucks. Sonic sucks, bro. I agree. I agree. Oops. Maybe if I get what's up, Jay? How you doing today, man? Kind of stuck right now, man. I'm trying to get this spin dash to take off. Honestly, I could just says player speed +1, timer equals 10. The spin dash object equals true. Yeah, I figured out. I kind of been on the spin dash for longer than I thought, but I want it to be right. I don't want to half it. Nifty. This is it's a little small project I'm doing. Classic Sonic. I'm gonna call it Classic Sonic Source. It's gonna be I want to release the source code to people to make their own Classic Sonic games. Got, you know, physics and stuff like that. I'll show you right now what I got so far. I took the Classic Sonic 2 background just to test on the physics and stuff like that, and I kind of map it with the Genesis that I have. So that's what this is. So once I'm done, I'll just release the builds and the code to people that want to make Classic Sonic games or 2D.5 Classic Sonic games. So they have, like, you know, default template with the physics and, you know, some of the objects and stuff like that. I gotta press jump 2 times? Oh, broke. Sonic machine broke. Oh, too fast. Wait a second. Spin dash town. So wait, this needs to be I need to have something that says if this spin dash timer equals 0. Wait, that's an error. Oh, this is not equal 0. There we go. It's a little bit better. Oh, not an idle. Gotta fix the idle. Once you fix something, you mess up something else. Less than 1. Spin dash. Oh, I have to have the spin dash reset. Not equal 0. Else. Callie. Hey, how you doing, man? The game is going fine. Right now I'm adding in the spin dash. See what I can get. I've been working on spin dash for like 30 minutes. Kind of got stuck at one point, but I kind of got the foundation working. I need to times this by like 4. Yeah, that's better. Is that too fast? That's good. Let me see if I can break the game. Oh yeah, That broke the game. Probably need to cap it at 10 and add a force. Cap it at 10, add a down force. And I need to add in the spin dash mash. Let's see if I can get up here now. That's good. Got the spin dash to work. So I think I'm gonna call that a successful stream. We got 2 features in the game tonight. Got the spin dash in there. Got the up and down falling animation. So I call that a success. We got that animation, the up animation. Got the foundation of the spin dash. Actually, he should be in a spin. He should be in the ball when he spin dash. Looks like a fast break. That's good. I appreciate everybody coming through. I really don't do the streams that much, but you know, if people like this and find it helpful, I'll do more streams to show as I add more features and stuff in there. Man, why can't I text him? Alright everybody, peace out.